Hi, this is Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1. My Life As just released an awesome Boba tea set, and it also released a new doll that works at the Boba tea shop. In this video, I'm going to unbox them and tell you how to get them. And by the way, if you're new to my channel and interested in all things American Girl but not yet subscribed, please do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. I usually post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes I post on other days as well. I always post the latest American Girl news and leaks. I also post crafts and unboxing. I'm going to start with the Boba tea playset. It might be available at your local Walmart, but it's also currently available online. I predict that it's going to be a very popular set, so if you think you want it, I'd get it pretty soon. I'll put the link to this set in the description box below. I had to order it with a local pickup. This is a pretty cool set. I'm really impressed by My Life As. I guess boba tea is very trendy right now. By the way, I made a video how to make your own boba tea for your dolls, and I also made a video how to make homemade bobas, the ones you can actually use in your own drink. I'll put the link to both of those videos in the description box below, in case you decide to make more boba drinks for your dolls, and maybe some for yourself. This set comes with 2 empty glasses. There are all the necessary ingredients in the set for you to fill it up. The straw is attached to the top lid, and the top lid kind of pops onto the glass. So you can see one straw is blue and one straw is yellow. And here's a cute basket to carry your boba teas around. You see they perfectly fit on each side. Now let's take a look at this passion fruit syrup. I'm guessing your dolls can add it to their drinks for more flavor. Now these 2 items are really interesting. I'm guessing this is strawberry matcha milk teas, or they might just be fruit teas. Anyway, first of all, they're covered in this packaging film. You'll have to remove it. You don't have to remove it if you're not planning on opening the bottle. If you open it, there's this slimy substance inside. I think it's actually pretty cool. Great idea for a toy. You can put it inside the cup. How awesome is that? Remember last year when My Life As made a Hello Kitty kitchen set? They had Play-Doh to use as a dough for a pasta machine, and now they have this awesome slime for a drink. I think this is such an amazing idea. I really applaud My Life As creators. Now you can see this drink came out pretty good. The slime was very stretchy. There's another flavor. I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to keep it unopened for now. And here are 2 tops for your drinks. I'm guessing these are whipped cream. They go under the lid. So you open the lid, you put them on, then you close the lid. They look really cool. This set comes with a bunch of things you can put inside of your boba tea. There are boba pearls. I'm guessing those yellow things are fruit cut in the shape of stars. And there's fruit in the shape of hearts. There are 2 containers where you can keep your toppings. I think it's such a great idea. All these little pieces can get lost very easily. And these containers do not only look good in a coffee shop, they help organize the supplies. The set also comes with this cute menu. The prices for boba tea are much lower than where I live. Let me know in the comments if you like boba tea, and how much it costs in your area. Here's a register. It's not really interactive, it's just a piece of plastic. But it looks good and there are drinks on display. The register can be opened and you can store money in there. This set comes with a bunch of dollar bills. You need to separate them before you can actually use them. This is a punch card that some shops have. It allows you to get a free drink once you've purchased 5 drinks. The card is really cute. This is a credit card that your dolls can pay with if they don't have cash. It looks pretty real, and it can be swiped on the side of the register. Really cool. Now I'm going to try to put some toppings in my drink. The slime itself is kind of solid. I'm not even sure if I'll be successful. I don't know if you're supposed to put them on top of the drink, but I'm going to put them on the bottom. I'm just going to use boba pearls. Then I'm going to put the slime on top of the boba pearls. This doesn't really look good. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but maybe it just takes time. So I'm going to let this drink sit for 10 minutes and see what happens. Wow, look at this. It actually works. I didn't expect results as good as this. This is a totally realistic drink, and you can see the boba pearls through the drink. The bubbles and slime make it look even more realistic. This is everything that came in this set. By the way, if I didn't mention it before, it was $11. I can't praise this set enough. It looks great and it's an awesome play value. I'm pretty sure even very young kids will be super entertained. Now let's take a look at this doll. Her name is Abby, and it looks like she works at the boba tea shop. I'm going to put a link to her in the description box as well. When I ordered her, she was available online, but right now it only shows she's available for local pickup. So if it's out of stock online, she might come back. This is a new item. I'm pretty sure Walmart's bringing her back. On the back, it shows there are different dolls in the same outfit. I think it's really cool. There are also some new dolls that we haven't seen before. The fairy in particular. I haven't seen her images anywhere else. By the way, Abby retails at $27. Now let's open the box. This doll has the usual My Life as face mold. I find the face really sweet. She has this interesting hairstyle. The hair quality is pretty good too. Of course, it's not the same high quality hair as American Girl, but it's the same kind of quality as Barbie's. And it's definitely the good quality hair. Her eyes are kind of bluish purplish gray, and I really like her eyebrow shape. I think she's an amazing deal for the price. I just want to take a look at how her hair is rooted. You see, it's rooted in a way so there are no bald spots in this hairstyle. I think that's very clever. Overall, I really like her. This is her entire outfit. It 100% fits American Girl dolls. I tried it. I think the shirt is the best part of this outfit. The design is absolutely adorable, and I love the tie-dye sleeves. The shorts are also surprisingly good quality. The socks are kind of low quality, but I love the design and the pom-poms are really cute. The shoes are 100% plastic, which is typical for My Life as shoes, but they do fit American Girl dolls. They're flexible enough. And this apron is pretty cute. I like the fruit pattern on it. It comes with 2 pockets and you can put the boba tea in both of those pockets. Here I'm going to show you how to do it. As you can see, the boba teas perfectly fit in the pockets. Overall, I think the boba tea set is absolutely fantastic. If I were you, I'd snatch it right now while it's still available online. And the doll is pretty cute as well. Let me know in the comments what you think about both the set and the doll. Also, let me know in the comments if you like boba tea and what's your favorite boba tea flavor. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all things American Girl but not yet subscribed, please do so. And turn on that notification bell so YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. I usually post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes I post on other days as well. I always post the latest American Girl news and leaks. I also post crafts and unboxing. Thanks for watching and see you next time!